In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to voice chat with Microsoft Copilot. Whether you're new to using voice commands or looking to enhance your productivity, being able to communicate effortlessly with Microsoft Copilot can simplify your workflow and open up a world of possibilities. Let's dive into the process and make sure you get the hang of it quickly. First things first, you'll need to open Copilot. This step is straightforward but crucial, as Copilot is your gateway to all the voice chat magic we're about to discuss. Once you have Copilot up and running, you're ready to move on to the next step, which involves activating the voice chat functionality. Now, look for the microphone button in the Copilot pane. Clicking this button is how you'll enable voice chat mode. It's usually represented by a small microphone icon, so keep your eyes peeled for that. This button acts as your on and off switch for engaging in a dialogue with Copilot, so make sure it's activated whenever you're ready to start talking. Once the microphone is turned on, you can start speaking naturally. This is your chance to interact with Copilot using your conversational tone. Don't worry about being overly formal or worrying about using specific commands. Just speak as you would in a regular conversation. Copilot is designed to understand and process natural language. However, keeping things clear is essential, which brings us to the next point. For the best recognition and response from Copilot, aim to speak in short, clear sentences. This helps the software process your words more effectively and ensures it can deliver accurate replies. So, while it's okay to be conversational, try to avoid long-winded sentences that might confuse the system. Brevity and clarity are key here, as they help Copilot comprehend your requests efficiently. Once you've engaged in voice chat, Copilot will do two things: transcribe what you say, and then respond. The transcription allows you to see whether Copilot correctly understands your words in real time, serving as a helpful check. Right after, Copilot will respond to your query or command. This interaction loop is what makes voice chatting so efficient and engaging, allowing for a seamless blend of speech-to-action capabilities. And there you have it, an easy, engaging way to communicate with Microsoft Copilot using your voice. Following these steps will not only make your interactions more efficient, but also more enjoyable. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment and explore the full potential of what voice chatting with Copilot can do for you. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.